wanted to book an air ticket, you're required to go to the airline office, travel agent office, or browse multiple platforms for each airline of your choice. This really takes so much of your time. But don't worry, because Rakso has a simple, user-friendly online booking platform that processes and shows the cheapest available airfares real-time. Plus, the website offers multiple airlines with available flights to your choice of destination. Before we proceed, be sure to like us on Facebook. And for more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for the latest travel trip updates. Type Rakso Travel and click Enter. From the result, look for Rakso Travel website. From the website, you'll see the air ticket portion. Click on it. On the page, indicate the type of your travel. Is it round trip or one way? Next, where are you flying from? Type your origin city. Where would you like to go? Type in your destination, or you can just select from the drop-down menu. Then click the Let's Fly button to proceed. From the result page, put how many passengers will book a plane ticket. You must indicate if the passengers is adult, child, or infant. Then identify what class would you like to book. Next, choose your preferred dates of your departure and return. The results will show you the cheapest to highest rates from different airlines, and the prices are inclusive. So worry no more, because there are no hidden charges. You can also see the top 3 recommended airlines at the uppermost part of the flight search results. This portion provides you an instant price comparison and a quick reference with the cheapest price from different airlines. There's also this feature from departure times, where you can select your preferred time of departure and arrival. You can choose from either morning, noon, evening, or midnight. From this part, you can filter the airlines you prefer to fly with. From the list, you may pick your preferred flight and airline. Just click the select and hit Book Now. After that, this will bring you to the login page. If you're not yet a member, just click the Create New Account to register. But if you're already a Rakso member, just enter your email address and password, and then click the Login button. Afterwards, this will bring you to your account. Double check the details. After you type in the details, click the Proceed button. Check your information carefully. If you're already okay with the details, click the Book Now button to proceed. A pop-up message will appear that includes the grand total and a reminder. Read carefully and understand the fare rules before you continue. Tick this box if you already viewed your booking summary. Click the Confirm button to continue booking. Your confirmed booking will now appear. From here, you can see your reference code, and the status is marked as booked. To finalize the booking, click Pay Now button to process your payment. Go to the air ticket reservation portion, and then click the Details button to double check again your booking details. Click Pay Now to proceed. Again, a pop-up message will appear regarding with your payment confirmation. Tick this box if you have already viewed it. Once satisfied, click the Confirm button to proceed to payment. Fill up your card information and submit. Ta-da! You can finally print your itinerary! You can also save a PDF copy on your mobile device. Go to the Rakso Travel website. Select the air ticket button and click Manage Booking. Type in your booking reference that is on the upper right of your travel itinerary and your last name, then click Retrieve Booking. The Confirm booking will be shown. Select the Details button to check your booking information. Log into your email account, and you will see your travel itinerary and e-ticket that was sent to you. You can print or save through your smartphones and tablets. And there you have it. You can now manage your booking anytime, anywhere through Rakso's air ticket online reservation system.